Hello all, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm going to show you how to make dry fruit sauce. Before moving ahead with the recipe, I want to thank one and all who kept checking my health and my baby's health. I delivered a baby boy on Jan 13th and he's doing pretty good too. And I'm back to work and this is the first recipe I shot. Dry fruit sauce. It is a very versatile recipe which can be used as spread, sauce, dip, jam, as a health supplement because it makes for a great immune boosting food or weight gaining food for babies. You can add it to porridges in small amount for them, and for grown-ups, as I explained already, it can be used in that way. You can even add it to milkshakes. It makes a great sugar alternative as well. So there is no limit to use it, and there is no limit to customize it as well. You can add on or take out any dry fruit which you don't like, any nut which you don't think your kid would like. So without much ado, let's dive right in and see how to make dry fruit sauce. To begin with, in a wide pan I'm adding water. We'll boil it well. And now, switching off the flame, I would start adding all the dry fruits here. Beginning with dates. Soft dates I am using here, de-seeded. The quantity of all the ingredients would be given in the description box. Raisins. Prunes. You can skip prunes if you feel it will change the color of the sauce. Cashew nuts. You can even add pista here. Now adding some almonds. Just give it a quick mix and allow it to soak in this hot water. If you can soak it for a night, overnight it is good. If not, at least 20 minutes you can rest it. After that, you can see well soaked dry fruits like this. We will now mix it and cook it again on low flame until all the water is reduced to less than a half. Once done, it would look something like this. We'll now transfer it to a blender jar once it is cooled a bit. Don't take completely hot sauce or the ingredients. I'm using this Wonder Chef blender jar to make a fine puree. If you feel it is too dry, you can add little hot water to make this dry fruit sauce. So dry fruit sauce is ready now. If you like this recipe and if you feel that it is not appealing enough for your baby to try it, please skip prunes. That is the major culprit to give this brownish color. But taste-wise, it is awesome. You can still skip prunes if you want to reduce the sour taste of this spread or jam or sauce, dry fruit sauce. Yes, and I have few more recommendations for more immunity boosting and weight gaining food. If you're concerned about it, you can use dry fruit powder. You can you can check the list in the description box. The link is given there for all these recipes. Dry fruit powder, nuts powder. You can even check almond and dates choco spread. You can check gooseberry apple jam. All healthy food which you can make easily at home, and the link is in the description box. If you like this video and if you're somebody who would want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting lots of yummy healthy baby food which can be easily made, especially which do not take a lot of time and are yet healthy. So thanks again. Bye bye.